Hello, my name's Catherine Laing. I'm a lecturer in linguistics at Cardiff University, moving to the University of York in September. In my research, I'm interested in iconicity and how it might help children learn words. But what is iconicity? Typically in language, we assume that a word and its meaning are arbitrary. That is, they are not connected. The word cat, for example, doesn't bear any meaningful resemblance to the animal cat. But iconic words are related to their meanings. Words such as tiny, rattle, gargantuan, and whisper all seem to bear some kind of resemblance to what they mean. Researchers have suggested that children find these iconic words easier to learn because it's easy for them to pair the word with the meaning and therefore build their vocabulary more quickly. In my research, I look at a special kind of iconic word, onomatopoeia. That is, words that represent sounds from the environment, like woof woof and moo. These kinds of words occur in high numbers in infants' early vocabulary. I show that these might be easier to learn because they're easier for babies to produce. They have simple phonological forms and can be produced flexibly and with engaging sound effects, like meow and moo. So ultimately, they're more accessible for babies in development, because they can produce them and engage with their parents much more effectively.